In today's video, we're going to talk about how to embed videos in Outlook. So if you're trying to share videos through your Outlook email, this is the video for you. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing is there is actually no embedding a video into an email. Emails like Outlook and Google, they are not what's called HTML5 compatible. So when we're talking about embedding, this is actually reserved for websites. You can see this is a website or a landing page where the video is actually embedded here. Now, it is possible to embed videos into certain emails, but Outlook 365 and the desktop version, Gmail, the most common email clients, don't actually allow you to embed a video in an email. So without embedding, we're left with two other ways of sharing videos. One would be an attachment, where you can simply take an attachment like an attached video file and put this on your Outlook. Now, the problem with this is there's a 25 megabyte limitation, which is a very small file size. And the other thing is the person's gonna have to download this. If you're trying to send video for any business purposes, this is actually going to hurt your results because having an attachment is going to send more of your emails to spam and to junk, and many people are instructed not to download attachments from people they don't recognize. So now we've talked that attachments aren't the right way, embedding isn't the right way. What actually is the right way? And this is actually using a plugin brought to you by Dub. So right here inside of Outlook, this is the 365 version. You can see there's a shortcut right inside of Outlook, and all I have to do is click this button, and it's going to give me access to my library of videos where I can instantly insert and share a video of any length. There's not going to be any attachment limitation. They're not going to have to download anything. They're going to be able to just click play on your video here and access the video straight from their email. Now, this is the best way to share videos through Outlook, particularly if you're sending them for business purposes, like trying to develop your business, trying to prospect people, trying to win new business or marketing. So adding video to an Outlook email is as simple as getting a free trial on dub.com. And once you're there, you can install the add-in right inside of your Outlook account and instantly share videos. Now, there's also a way if you have the desktop version. So if you have the non-365, meaning you're not paying for your Outlook, it was sort of built into your computer, then you still have an option where right here, this is the Dub Chrome extension, and I can click this video here, and this is going to turn on my library where there's the video I recorded, and now I can share and I can copy this email and paste it into any interface, including my desktop Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, any other email provider that you may have. And in fact, this could be used to send through more than one type of system. Email, maybe a text message if you have an application for that, or even social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. So this is a one-click ability to not only record a video like I'm doing now, this is actually using the Dub app, but then to instantly share that video with just one or two clicks right through Outlook. So this is the fastest way to embed a video into your Outlook email, whether you're on 365 or the desktop version. Just be aware there are a few limitations. If you are using a corporate Outlook account, meaning it's not yours, you don't own it, you're using it through your company, you may need permissions in order to install the Outlook add-in. And it can be found right here inside the Outlook add-in store. And again, if you're on the desktop client, there actually is no add-ins available for the non-365 version. However, even without the add-in, you do have the Chrome extension with its universal ability to copy and paste a video into any channel you need to record. That's how you share videos through Outlook, avoiding attachment limitations, avoiding requiring people to download the videos, and without any other extra tools or softwares besides Dub. Check out a free trial at dub.com and boost your sales and marketing and communication efforts. See you next time.